In this video, we want to talk about NIO. In July, they delivered roughly 20,000 vehicles. That was up a measly 0.18% year over year. The company has now delivered 20,000 plus vehicles for 3 months straight. And the stock should be benefiting from the release of the Envo L60 in late September. Nevertheless, the stock is not reflecting any of the positive news. As you can see from the weekly chart, you do have resistance in the form of weekly sellers at $6. And what was support at $4 is now resistance, despite this indecision candle we had this past week. One thing to note, when you look at the monthly chart is suggesting prices can go lower because your all-time lows are near that dollar level. For the bulls, there is some hope as you are in this accumulation area, meaning prices are selling at a discount, but that doesn't mean price can't go lower. What you really want to hope for is a similar pattern we saw in 2020 in the form of a W pattern, but that can take months, even years to form. So again, July marked the third consecutive month of 20,000 plus deliveries. Again, in June, the company notched a record monthly high at about 21,000 vehicles. For 2024, NIO has now delivered a total of 108,000 vehicles, up roughly 44% year over year. Now, what's not helping NIO is the economic conditions coming out of China. Their PMI tallied in at 49.8, missing the analyst expectations of 51.5. It was the lowest figure since last October and declined from the last reading of 51.8. Now, just to put things in perspective, a reading of 50 marks the threshold between growth and contraction. Anything lower than 50, the economy is contracting. Anything above, the economy is growing. So what's next for NIO? Amid a property crisis, consumers are less likely to gravitate towards luxury vehicles. However, NIO thinks it can accommodate this with the new release of a more affordable brand called Envo. Also, recent news, NIO held its IN 2024 Tech Day and revealed several new developments, such as the tapping out of its Shenzhen NX9031 autonomous driving chip. So there is development out of NIO. However, things might get worse before they get better. And the charts are suggesting that we could see price continue to decline over the coming months. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.